Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick fix video today. My wife's dresser, the front came off. This dresser's probably well over 100 years old. They just don't make them like this anymore. Let me get you in a little closer. You can tell it still has its dovetails intact. What happened was this is the front, and she pulled and the front came off. So we're just going to glue it back on, clamp it up, and put this baby back into service. We have to do this maybe every dozen years or so, and it's probably because I'm horrible at gluing, so don't take my advice on this. I just thought I'd do a little visual on what I do to get this going. And if I didn't mention, I'm just using wood glue. All right, get some cleanup going and we'll be good. Okay guys, I could go ahead and clamp this up this way really, because it was just these front ones that came off, but I think I'm just going to leave it sit for a couple days to dry up. This is a super tight joint. These dovetails are still in great shape, so I don't even think it needs a clamp. I'm just going to let it dry up for a couple days and we'll put it back into use. That's all there is to it. That's how I do this. Tell me how you do yours differently to these really old dressers. That's all we got.